back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Jell-O and tapioca dessert that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious Jell-O and tapioca dessert, these are the ingredients. I have 2 pineapple Jell-Os. I have the mixed colors of tapioca, color and flavor and extract of pineapple, sour cream, evaporated pineapple, and of course, condensed milk. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing homemade dessert. So let's get started. I am going to start first by mixing the pineapple Jell-O, each bag in 3 cups of very hot water. Look at this. I am adding 3 cups of hot water, and then I'm going to add 3 cups of cold water. And when this is done and it's a little at room temperature, I am going to pour it into this plate, and I'm going to refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours until it gets nice and firm. While this is in the refrigerator, we are going to continue by showing you the tapioca that I'm using. This tapioca only takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook, to bloom. And let me show you how it looks from inside. It's very colorful. It has a different colors inside. And this is what makes it a little more interesting. I am sure that you're going to really love this tapioca with all those beautiful colors. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for it to bloom, to be nice and ready. But of course, if you buy the other kind of tapioca, it's going to take about 1.5 hours to cook. Now on the stove, I have very hot water. I'm going to pour my tapioca. I'm going to let it simmer. Once it starts simmering, I am going to cover it for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit at room temperature. Let me show you how this looks. Make sure that you stir the tapioca so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And here I am ready to make the creamy and delicious mixture for all those amazing tapiocas and the pineapple Jell-O. Here I have the condensed milk, the sour cream, and I am going to mix it very well, making sure that it incorporates really good before I add the evaporated milk. This mixture is going to be nice and creamy and delicious. I am sure that once you make this amazing dessert at home, there is no need to go buy any outside. Well, here I have the flavor, the color of the pineapple extract, and you're gonna see the difference. This is so concentrated that the flavor and the aroma, you could really smell it. Look at this. It already changed color. The milk is nice and yellow. And now I'm just going to taste it to see if I need to add a little more of the condensed milk. But to my tasting, this is great. And here I have 1 can of the pineapple. And I'm going to just cut it in small little pieces so that it will incorporate into the rest of the ingredients. I am telling you, this dessert is very easy to prepare, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Look at this. It doesn't take too long. If you have little ones at home, I am sure they're really going to enjoy helping you and enjoying this amazing dessert. Well, now this is nice and boiling. I'm going to cover it, uncover it after 10 minutes, and look at this. The tapiocas are clear with all those beautiful colors. And now we are ready to rinse really good for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure that you really rinse it really good. Let it rest for a little while so that all the excessive water comes out. And now I am ready with the pineapple jello. I am going to get it out of this plate. I'm going to start slicing it and I'm going to cube it. I want to make sure that I cube it in very small little pieces. This dessert comes out amazing and the flavor is so intense of the pineapple that you guys are going to love it. Look at this. You decide how big or how small you want the cubes of the jello, how big you want them or how small. This is the size that I want. Once you have it all cubed, I'm going to add it to the milk mixture. I'm adding the jello right now, the pineapple jello. I'm going to add the tapioca pearls. And you could see all those amazing colors. And once I incorporate this, I am ready to add the pineapple. And now I am ready to mix everything, to get everything incorporated, getting nice and wet with all the creamy and delicious milk. My mouth is already watering because here at home, we love this dessert. It really comes out delicious, very easy to prepare, and most of the ingredients, you can find them anywhere. Any supermarket, you could find these ingredients. The color, the yellow color is so amazing that, like I said, once you make it, you're going to fall in love with it. You decide how sweet you want it. So you have control of the sweetness for this amazing dessert. Of course, I'm going to top it off with some heavy whipping cream to give it the amazing look of this dessert. I have here my heavy whipping cream. This is the kind I use. I have my little baggie, my tip, and now I am ready to start mixing. I am using 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. There's no need to add any sugar to it. It already has the sugar incorporated. Like I said, I'm only mixing 1 cup of the mixture. Once this is done, I'm gonna put it in my baggie and I am ready to decor this amazing dessert. Tapioca Jello dessert. I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to make the presentation because I am sure that you guys are going to love this dessert. Like here at home, we love it and we really enjoy it. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing dessert, tapioca and pineapple jello. I am sure you guys are really going to love it. It comes out nice and creamy and delicious. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. There is no need to go buy this amazing dessert when you can make it at home. Really creamy and delicious. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.